make a noise or I'll break your finger, okay?
Okay.
For me, I'd like to smash you, but Mr. Litvak says bring you back in one piece.
Wonderful fellow, Mr. Litvak, whoever he is.
I'm going to smash you anyway.
You have something which belongs to me.
Oh, really? What could that be?
The blackbird.
How'd it get to be yours all of a sudden?
It is mine because I deserve it. Mine because I have killed for it and will kill again for it. Mine because I've spent 30 years in pursuit of it. It is mine because I have the means, the determination, and most of all, the power to have it. It is mine because I want it.
Look, if it's yours, what do you need with me?
Because I don't have it. You do.
Litvak, listen, why don't you save us both a lot of trouble? As far as I'm concerned, you can have the bird. I just want to make a few bucks. Make me a decent offer and it's yours.
I give you $50,000 and your life.
You see? That's a very fair offer. I accept.
Put your hand away. I don't care to be touched.
Whatever. There's just one more thing. I can't get the bird until morning, so,
Don't try. Any of you fifth-rated detective boys with me.
I'm not. Look, the thing is no good to me because I don't know what it is. I just want to sell it.
Yes. Superficial minds have never understood the falcon. You certainly don't look like you have the depth of insight to penetrate its secret.
That's what I mean.
You will stay here for the night. We will arrange the detail of the transaction tomorrow.
Litvak, you get a lot of bad press, but I want to tell you, your race is with me. This is the best day I've had in a year.
Get him out of here.